Have you ever wondered if there's a place on Earth where the waters are not blue, but pink? Well, allow us to take you on a journey to a true spectacle of nature, the Pink Lake of Western Australia. The journey unfolds as we approach the lake's edge. The sight of the vivid pink waters, surrounded by the stark, ochre-colored earth, is nothing short of awe-inspiring. This striking contrast, a result of nature's whims, is sure to leave every viewer mesmerized. As we delve deeper into the mystery of the Pink Lake, we discover that the enchanting hue is a result of a microorganism known as Dunaliella salina. This unique microbe thrives in the lake's salty environment, producing a pigment that gives the water its distinctive pink color. But the lake's vibrant palette isn't limited to its waters. The surrounding landscape, home to a variety of resilient, salt-tolerant plants and an array of elegant bird species, adds to the lake's charm. This unique ecosystem, nurtured by the lake, is a testament to the adaptability of life in the face of adversity. For those with a taste for adventure, the Pink Lake offers a surreal experience. Imagine kayaking or swimming in the rose-tinted waters. It's a memory sure to be etched in the mind forever. As the day draws to a close, the Pink Lake takes on an even more magical aura. The setting sun casts warm hues of orange and purple across the sky, reflecting their brilliance onto the surface of the lake. To summarize, the Pink Lake is a visual symphony, a blend of science, nature, and adventure. It's a place where nature's whims are on full display, creating a landscape that defies belief. So, there you have it. An extraordinary journey around the Pink Lake of Western Australia. A destination that showcases the whimsical beauty of our planet, inviting us to marvel at the enchanting surprises that lie in wait. Thank you for joining us on this journey to one of nature's most remarkable spectacles. May it inspire you to discover more of the wonders that our beautiful planet has to offer